Hello, my name is Kristi Arpit, and today we are going to make a SMS messaging application with OTP login. So this is the code of the experiment, and this is the design. We are using uh, we are using text view and buttons for getting the phone number and OTP and buttons for logging. So this is a code. We'll take a number and OTP as variables inputs. So we'll create a layout view, then we'll use activity compat dot request permission. This may manifest permissions and SMS package manager permission granted. So this code is used for getting a permission from the phone for checking the SMSs and like for checking the contacts and the SMS. Then okay, then we'll take the number and we'll pass by ID, then OTP also. Then we'll create a function OTP. We'll create a function get OTP and it will create an intent with the main activity dot class, and we'll create the pending intent for getting the get for the main getting the main intent. So then we'll change the phone number to get text to string. Then we'll the input will be changed to string, and we'll create a SMS manager to get and set the SMS manager to get default. Then we'll use random to generate random OTP like for giving random numbers. Then we'll index r dot next in will be bound by 9999 so that it will be a 4-digit number. The OTP will be a 4-digit number, so we'll it bounded by 9999, and we'll assign a new variable OTP generated to string format for getting the OTP, that is random number that is generated. And we'll use SMS manager to send a message that will get that will send the OTP, and it will give a toast message saying that the message is sent. And we'll create one more function for login. And if the we'll check if the string OTP entered the entered OTP and the OTP that will get if equal, then intent will get to the activity means we'll create a new intent that will get to the main activity too, and we'll start the intent activity. Else we'll give a post message telling the OTP entered is invalid. So this is the design for second page. It will allow us to select the contents and entering the message. uh, Excuse me, I'm sorry. So here we'll take all the variables like the phone text data number message button everything. Then we'll create on create, then we'll start the main activity too, and we'll pass all the variables with through id, and we'll on click we'll create an intent with action pick. Then intent will set the intent context like this will allow to set the intent to contact type, and we'll get a we'll set a start activity result for pick code. Here we'll ask the user to we'll get the phone text and we'll convert it to string and message to string, and we'll create a new intent for activity 2, and we'll create a pending intent, and pending intent also will be for the activity 2. So SMS manager will set the SMS manager to default, and the default string message message will be the hello plus the data we enter. So the hello will be there for everything. So SMS manager will ask us and SMS manager will take the number, will take the number and will set the pending intent. And if after the SMS manager will take the number and pending intent is done, it will make a toast message telling that the message is sent. So then again we'll create one more function for the result thing. We'll get the request code and result code here, and if the request code pick code and result code is same, sorry, if and result code equal to okay, then the data will get and the cursor will move to the next one, and the query will be get done. And if cursor is not null, it will move to the first page and first point, and name data will be taken and number also will be taken from the cursor, and it will display the name and number, and the phone text will be set to number. So this is the code of the program. Let's see the output. So here I'll enter my number, and I'll get the OTP. And this is the OTP I got. So this is the output of the experiment. Thank you.